Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us. My name is Sheena Marajh and I'm a Redken Educator. You can follow me on Instagram at sheerwithsheens.redken. So now we're going to be talking about our Extreme line. Our Extreme is also another hero product within our franchise, being able to offer our clients a beautiful opportunity to give some protein back into their hair. As a stylist, we know protein is very important, putting it back into the hair, especially after harsh chemical services. Within the line, we have our shampoo, our conditioner. We also have our mask or our heavy cream mask, being able to offer our clients some more moisture as well as protein into the hair. We know that the hair is mainly comprised of moisture and protein. We also have our cat treatment. As a stylist, I think this is a beautiful product to offer any of our clients that have those hair strands that are a little bit questionable or need a little bit more love and care. Because this is going to offer more protein into the hair, but it's because it's going to offer strength building capability. It's going to allow for those weakened strands to have a strengthened area in those breaking points so that it doesn't break off. It's also a beautiful opportunity for us as stylists to use as a porosity equalizer. We also have two different leave-ins. One is a spray leave-in, which is our anti-snap treatment leave-in, and we have our Extreme Play Safe 450. The difference of the two, one is going to offer a beautiful lightweight, still with a little bit of moisture leave-in opportunity, but then our Play Safe 450 is gonna offer a little bit more moisture as well as that protein for somebody that needs a little bit more moisture back into their hair. It is 450-degree heat safe, so it's great for product minimalists that allow for them to have some heat protection, some protein back into their hair, and just to give them an overall strengthened opportunity after a chemical service. Thank you so much for joining us today, and if you want some more information, you can follow us on L'Oreal Access or follow me on Instagram.